Materials applied include duplex, precipitation-hardened stainless steel, Hastelloy C, Monel, CN7M, and Stellar. All products are to pass strict testing and validation. Due to Bueno's commitment to excellence, we are now the main supplier for many well-known valve makers around the world. We already sell goods successfully to Japan, the US, Europe, Korea. Today, our high-quality PFA products are extensively used by the optoelectronic, semiconductor equipment supply, electronic chemical, pharmaceutical, and biotechnology industries. Bueno considers production process control to be of great importance. In addition to thorough research, development, and design, we utilize advanced machinery during production with sophisticated instruments monitoring production quality at all times. As a result, Bueno's products have won client praise for their excellent safety record, long service life, and low maintenance costs.